So this is everything we got from our shopping, and it is time to put them in their rightful places, and we're going to be doing this together, myself and the kids. So let's get right into it. And the very first thing we need to do is create space in the fridge, bring out the containers, and then try to refill them. So this is the container for the yogurt. This needs to be refilled. This needs to be refilled. And yeah, we need to bring out everything. The eggs need to be refilled. We have some in the garage. I actually did not buy that today. So basically, trash the things that have gone bad and then just refill everything that needs to be refilled. The fridge looks kind of empty, but we'll see how far we can go today. So Tofumi will start by packing away all the capsicum to the fridge in the garage. Wow, Mama, what are you doing? Oh yeah, come and put the yogurt.
I feel like two can only fit.
Eh?
I feel like two can only fit in one basket.
And you take the others to the side. This capsicum is a steal. I bought it $1.49, and I'm like, what? You say what? And they are big. So yeah, take this basket and bring and come back and take it home. So Mama, come and take arrange the yogurt. Move back. What are you looking for? Yeah, arrange the yogurt. Start from the front. What are you doing?
Should I put this in the bin?
Why is it expired? Bring, let me see. Do what I say you should do. Did I send you down? It has not expired. Why do you want to put in the bin? You don't know it's more like to buy it. Sure. Fure, take the toothpaste to the beauty room.
Maybe put more things in there.
Even if it can't fit, you have to take everything there. Just take everything there and put it in the upper part. You know where I put the tomato? You know where I put the tomato? Just make sure everything fits that fridge. What? Mama, take all of this to my makeup table. Where are you? I actually bought something from, what's it called, Priceline, and they gave me this bag for free. So will most likely be my new makeup bag, maybe for my home office. So okay, take it there. Oh, my nails as well. No, my nails as well. Take that. Take it to my room. Thank you. What else? I will also need to bring out all these baskets and then refill them. Check what we have, refill, and then just rearrange. You can see like these people have consumed most of this during the week, so I just need to refill every container there. So this is the kids snack section. I need to throw out some things and then refill. This is the main one they use, and it's empty at the moment. And this is our bread box. I didn't get bread today, but hopefully we're able to get tomorrow. I only got one piece. They didn't stock up. So, and then yeah, drinks, vegetable oil and things like that. Jeez, I didn't know this Indomie was finished, and I didn't buy, thinking we had Indomie at home. But anyways, that's that. So this is basically provision. You know, my friend saw provision, she was like, what about bush girl are you? So I'm going to put milk. So I think milk is the only thing. Oh yeah, and tomato sauce. So I'm going to put that back. And then snack is, this is snack. And then I have popcorn, Pringles, and some Cocoa Pops. Fure, can you get me one Cocoa Pops and one popcorn? I said popcorn, cornflakes. One of each, yes. One cornflakes, one Cocoa Pops. Pringle, I need to put it up. Thank you. So I'm going to toss this away because we have. Oh, okay. And then this is another snack box. I need this to refill. So I'll put that out. So we have Doritos and we have Pringles. I think we'll refill with these ones, and I'll just keep the new ones in the basket and put it away. Tofumi and Fure, get out your Pringles and Tofumi, get out the Doritos. Fure, get out the Pringles and start refilling. When you come back, will you sleep there? And you're still standing, you need to go to the toilet. So I'm just going to put this one away now. Alright. So that's done. So this is their gummy, their fruit gummy box. I don't know if you can see this thing, are you still taking it, or should I trash it?
No. I mean, yes.
And it's Spirit that made me to buy this thing. She should come back and explain herself.
I don't know.
And today she was saying I want a sour sweet, a sour patch, and you have a sour patch at home. Spirit, you make me spend the most money in this house. What is it? Why is it making so much noise?
I don't know.
So, and that's it.
Time we go to Costco, we also need to buy that.
So I'm just going to refill the food for me, and that's it. And this will last us another 2 to 3 weeks, to be honest.
More than that, much. That will last us like 5 weeks.
I'll refill the Cocoa Pops. Will last like 5 weeks.
Does the color even eat the Cocoa Pops for me?
Yeah.
What's the color? What's the color?
Kira, you want to sleep in the toilet?
No.
What? Why? What happened?
Nothing.
Go off the light. The thing you on that is making that sound.
Which sound?
You've on one of the fan or something in our toilet that is making the sound. What's making that sound? And today you had the guts to be telling me in the shop, Mommy, I want to buy a sour sweet. Is this not it?
That's not sour.
This is not sour. Is it not sour patch? This is not sour.
Yeah, but I don't like the other flavors.
Okay. Don't tell me to buy any sour anything again. Give me my clip. Let me just say, Mommy, I want to buy sour anything. I will sour your mouth for you.
Why are you pouring one inside a bag?
No, because it's not close.
Oh.
Okay, what else do we need to? Well, where's the Pringle? No. What's this thing? Plantain chips. What's it? Plantain chips. Take it and clean it with tissue and bring it. Let me refill. I'm going to just put it in the dustbin. As treats, we also buy this. We buy it like once in 2 months, sha. I take it, they take it, everybody takes it. Fira, can you go and do your Pringles?
It was $7 before, but now
You want to cry this night, Abby? And it's very addictive, this thing. You just eat one and you see yourself come. You can't stop. And that's done. Just bring it, that's okay. Can you cut it? Where's the cover? Plantain chips.
There's so many free shirts that Easy gets.
Okay, what else?
Should I put this inside?
No, let's finish. Just put it down. I don't know, put it. Go and bring all the
Fridge stuff?
for the drink. No, come. Go to my door. What drink is that? Is that orange juice? Bring it out for me.
This one?
Orange juice. Beremole. Can you see it?
Ow.
Freeze out.
Yes.
No, you need one now. No. Put it down and put the apple back that way.
Inside where?
Put the apple where you make the orange from. Puree. Take.
Sorry.
It's a whole lot of work in it out. Oh.
Can I help you?
No.
What should I do now?
Go and bring cornflakes for me.
Cool. Yeah.
For me, I told them whenever I say go and do something, just do that thing and stop playing. Just go and put them at the door. We'll take them to the business tomorrow.
Wait, what is the other thing? There's nothing in there.
And this will just fill it up. And tomorrow we'll now have to put it. I don't have food. Is it that you don't have listening ears? Talk to me by the door of the garage of this place. Next up, Gary. Barium sulfate needs to be filled as well. Mom, I think it can still take some more. Take.
Mommy, what did I do?
Just do it and come back.
The Doritos packet not very good.
Next thing I'm going to be trying out is poundo yam. You can't even talk in this house. Oh, my God. Mama, can you please trash? Thank you. Is that Ricky?
Yeah.
The still is not full.
There's 16, Mommy. No, I didn't. How much practice?
So, poundo is done. I'm just going to keep the remaining ones away. I usually use this clip I got from IKEA. I think I got it from IKEA. To just clip it and put it in the, what's this basket? What do they call it? I don't know. I'll put it in. Move it. Thank you.
Okay, can I now go and watch my iPad?
Once we are feeling like this, can I go and sleep and be snoring? Bring out the drinks bottle. This thing, come.
This bottle?
One. This one. Go and bring. Fure, you come and do the other.
Can I get the cans?
No, not that one. Don't put it back. Don't put it back. See what I gave you. See what I gave you. See what you are bringing.
Not that one.
I don't know what this boy is doing.
I'm removing it. Mommy, I'm taking it there. So, did you see this is under there?
Don't tell me it's juicy. Fure, come and do it. Come. Come and arrange this. The old one. Put them in front.
Mommy, can I organize this? Huh?
Just one at a time. It can only take it like 2 packs, so not too much.
Should I open it?
Hey, careful, Fure, careful. Let me put it on the floor because you are pushing it.
It's up. What did you do?
I'm just going to carefully, this crayfish I will allow it finish before I restock. I'm fine with the level. Not restocking. I have dry pepper, so I'm going to leave. I'm not refilling that. Egusi as well. I don't really eat egusi like that, so I don't refill that often. So we have amala. We have beans flour. This bean flour I don't really like it, but I will use it one day, maybe for my I've refilled the poundo yam. We eat this very often. Maybe I'll even put the amala back, and then I'll put this extra large foods my mom brought is finished, but hopefully she did cargo some. Hopefully it gets here soon. This is gari, and then I'll just put the pasta in front of the gari, and then we'll go to cereals corner. Mama, pass me the popcorn. Oh, no, the cornflakes, sorry. So this is Cocoa Pops. I don't label this, it's obvious enough. Ask me if spaghetti is not obvious enough. Anyway, this is cornflakes, and then I'll just put it. So that's this corner. It's all done. Next up is the kids snack corner. This biscuit, I decided not to refill this week because the last time they didn't eat it. So yeah, they've just been very slow on biscuits. I don't know. For them, it's season and in season. They are currently out of biscuit season. This one has lasted almost for months, like months. So I'm not refilling. So this is their fruit gummies, and that's about that side. If I move to the next side quickly, Fira is the Pringles eater in the house, so that's our Pringles. So this is a Pringles. Tofumi has Doritos, so that's his Doritos. So that's what they are currently eating. They are not big on Pringles at the moment, or on biscuits. So that's that. Like most of the things here, I'm not going to refill them. And like I said on biscuits, they've been very slow on biscuits. So I refilled this, I think maybe last week or some few weeks ago, and it's still here. So I'm not going to refill them. I'll just leave it there. 2 boxes of biscuits. But the one thing for sure that Tofumi has been eating is plantain chips. So I refilled that this week. And that's it. And that's that. So I feel like the pantry is actually done at this stage. I'm just going to go back to the fridge now. Oh yeah, I think I have 2 bread I got today. Not a lot like we usually buy, but I've just added that to the bread baskets. And that's it. Oh yeah, put all that in that way. That's it. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, I'm coming to pray now. This is 11 o'clock. This is your bedtime. I'm just going to quickly arrange eggs. I bought this egg, I think from Costco a few weeks ago. So, and I'm almost thought, I even thought I still had lots of egg. I didn't buy eggs. Just transfer this so I can put it on the fridge. I've disengaged my assistants and now I need to do every other thing myself. They help me put the items in their containers, but I just need to put them back in the fridge. So let's do that quickly. Why is it making noise? I'll put the eggs. Let me close it quickly so that we'll restore another 1 or 2 minutes of not doing pim. So we have drinks there, some more drinks, yeah, and then yogurt. That's it. Next is their drink juice, apple juice, orange juice. I'll close for another minute. I'm going to quickly just clear this place up. There's just a lot of abandoned drinks here. So yeah, so that's fine. Put this here. I should actually not be using this tropical mango. We have some left in the freezer. I'm still looking for. Let me mix it with passion fruit. So that's that. What else? So I'm going to wash up the apples and pears and just put them in the container as well. So I just washed this sink, so it is absolutely clean. Hey, English is hard. It is clean, it's sparkling clean. I just washed it. And it's not even the normal sink we use. This is the sink in the butler's pantry, so it's not the one we used to cook it. I'm going to put some warm water. Just allow it sit in water for a while. Oh, we actually have to boil the eggs. Oh, 3. Yeah, I still have to. Oh, maybe I should not boil those eggs. But anyway, that's what the fridge looks like. I'm going to deal with this tomorrow. This is all the remaining foods we had from the week, but I'll deal with that tomorrow. I actually need to trash this, my trash now, or maybe tomorrow. They have been there for a while and I think they've gone bad. And so yeah, that is everything we did in this fridge. Nothing more. We have orange and mandarin from last week. We have lemon, so we didn't need to restock. The only thing I didn't buy today was yogurt, and I did that on purpose because the last one took forever to finish. And this place looks filled up. It feels like we have both things we need. This place looks empty. I don't even know what used to be there. Oh, butter. That reminds me, let me get the butter. I actually did buy butter, so yeah. So I'm just going to put the butter. So that's what used to be there, and that is back there. And this is the drinks. I need to trash this. It's been here for months, and that's all this handiwork. I need to trash that. So that's that. And then this I also need to trash. I used it when I was sick some weeks back. I need to trash it. And then this side of the fridge looks beautiful, all set and packed. So that's it. That's everything. All the extra drinks remaining, I'm going to put them back as back stock. I think that's what that's called. So yeah, I'm going to put them in this and put them back. So I have this. Bear in mind, this will last us months, like months. These drinks, I think the last one that I just finished now, I bought them when my parents were around, and my parents left in April, and we still had a few as at this morning when I went shopping. So with drinks, we just take it once in a while as treat, and for when people come over. And best believe, people don't come over that often. We don't have a lot of friends and family in Australia, so we don't have so much guests often. But I think that's that. I'm going to put this back and put the bottled ones on it. I'm not sure how many people saw my fridge restock video. There was a time I did a deep clean of my fridge and rearranged everything. Or did I say fridge restock? Fridge organization video. I'm basically trying to refill it with those containers. Some of them ran out, and then I bought things to refill. So for instance, fish fingers is finished in the freezer, and then I bought it during the week, but I was too lazy to refill. So I'm just going to refill some of them as well. I'm literally doing all of this with the last strength in me. I'm mentally not in the mood for this, but it just has to be done. That's the only reason why I'm here. I'm mentally not in the mood to be doing this. Yeah, so let's see if that will close up. No, let's remove this one. Okay, that's done. So I'll show you guys what it looks like in the freezer. And then the next one is this. We have arrived. Jeez, that was fast. I don't know why this particular chicken is too big. Okay, there are smaller ones there. Yeah, these ones are too big to not close. So this is too big. I might even cook it and eat it tonight. I don't know. It will now close, so I'm just going to remove it. Jeez, I thought the chicken was more than that. Are you saying I should get on go to one restock container? We don't finish chopping the thing. Okay. And then I got some corn. We usually use this corn for adalu. Yoruba is basically beans and corn. So we use this. I just buy the already what you know, I don't know. They've taken it out of the kernel. That's it basically. Corn on curbs. Corn kernel. I don't know. English is hard, man. So yeah. So this is this one as well, and then I'll do another one, just 2 of that, and take the rest of the freezer, the deep freezer in the garage. So that's it. This is everything I think I'm doing for. Oh, I have one more. Oh, goodness. And then I'll use another of these to tie it together and put it in the freezer in the garage. That's where that is going. Let's go to the freezer and say, oh yeah, let me get this out first. So I just brought out some containers. I'm trying to create space for the mixed veg. I also got some mixed veg, but since I don't have any containers to accommodate that, so I'm going to just put few things together. Hopefully it works, because like I said, I'm using my last strength, and oh, this girl is tired. This girl is exhausted. Oh, can you close? Oh yeah. Correct. So that closed. That was good. Good outcome. Oh, let me just wipe this out. I really like this mixed veg. I buy it from Coles. It has carrots, peas, and corn. If I want to make fried rice, I just add this, and then maybe buy green beans and bell pepper. Not all the time. Sometimes I just use just this. It's just easier. If at all I want to really like make it nice or special, I will just add I will dice hot dog in it. I think there was one time I even actually used liver. So this is what this is looking like. I'll just put it in the freezer, toss it in my food anytime I need to make anything. And voila! My life is easier that way. In this but I'm not all about fresh anything. Nobody should even give me that advice. Only work. Everything is snap and frozen. Snap frozen. Yeah. So now let's go to the freezer. I think I'm good. This thing is really good. I got it from, I think it's at Kmart as well. Yeah, I got some from Kmart, some from IKEA. I just use it to seal it. Boom. Ready to go into the freezer. So yeah, let's take all of this. So this is what my freezer looks like. Like I said, I have all of these containers where I have all these things. They are transparent, so I can easily see what I have here and there. Here I have some fruits. Looking forward to summer to continue making my smoothie. I stopped taking smoothie since the weather got cold. These are some fruit as well. What's in this one? This is pineapple as well, frozen pineapple. And then chips, corn on the hobs, just different things. So I'm going to bring those new ones in. So this is sausage, mixed veg. This is chicken. The corn I just packed now. The mixed veg, fish fingers, and chicken. I think that's everything. Yeah, and the freezer is looking nice. has in London. And we are done. Everything here is done. The pantry looks not as empty as it looks when we started, but yeah, I think I need to add Indomie to my next grocery list, but we're good for the next few days. So Indomie, bread. So those are the two things I think we're missing from this restock. These ones are things we don't use regularly. Macaroni, nuts for Obi, and then almond. They can always refill. Like, I don't know, those things. These ones will be fine. They are Obi section. It's gonna be good. But the most important things are things that the kids can easily grab. They make their cereal themselves. They make their Cocoa Pops, cornflakes. They make it themselves. Sometimes I ask them to pack school lunch. So I need to put everything in an organized manner in such a way that they can easily grab it when they need to. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.